Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix TikTok messages not working or not sending. First of all, open your TikTok app. Now you need to go to your inbox and see if the messages are not working. If it doesn't work, let's fix in this way. First, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you can go to your profile. After that, you need to click on these three lines in the top right corner. Next, you need to tap on this settings and privacy option in here. Now scroll down a bit and you can find this free up space option in here. So tap on it. Now clear your cache and go back to your inbox. So now you can see your message will be now sent. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.